Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EVFM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, and it was a crazy, crazy day. But you got to give some credits to, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, it's something like this, where the price just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds. But that was not the case here. The price actually made some progress throughout the course of the day. So let me actually change that to green to represent more of a bullish event. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there was a huge gap down and then just because the price started to make a little miniature uptrend does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that for sure guaranteed some sort of big move is happening. All I'm saying is it's at least a rational, it's at least a valid thought to be having of, hey, you know what, maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that's formed and a bigger move is going to be playing out here moving forward. So that is where that trend line here comes into play. But really, the level that stands out to me the most is let's just first see if the price can even show signs of progress. And my definition of progress is staying above 81 cents. Because if the price were to come back down to 81, break down below there, well, then at that point you have basically the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why, in my mind, that 81 cent mark, very, very important. As far as areas of support resistance are concerned, squeezing on the chart here, you can see big gap down. So there's quite a bit of wiggle room here to the upside. So really, the first key level is just simply where did the bounce stop today? And that was up there at 86 cents during that last 30 minutes of the day. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. But overall, like I said, interesting setup. Big volume, a whole lot of buying, a whole lot of selling, of course, but it's not like the price bled and bled all day long, but we'll see if the price can try to get some sort of upwards movement or not on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.